For exercise 6 in CAD 241, we're going to be working again just with the extrude command and the hole command. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is go to new and pick part, and this particular object I want to start on the front, and I'll go ahead and click sketch and sketch. I can begin to draw my lines. It's going to be very important when drawing this to make sure that I'm not automatically constraining things. For example, this line comes across at 100, then goes up 15. This then comes in 30 and then goes up again, and then it goes over 40. But if I stop right here for a second, I want you to notice if you look at the screen, you see the two L's that appear. Those two L's show that I'm creating an equal length constraint on those two lines. I don't want an equal length constraint on those two lines. So what I need to do is I need to move beyond it so that I don't accidentally create that. Then as I come down, I'm going to get another L that's going to appear with the line on the far right. Again, I don't want that equal constraint there, so I'm just going to either stop before that L appears or after. Then I can go ahead and finish this object out. And now I can begin my dimensioning process. The overall for this is 100. This segment right here is 15. This is 30. And I'm going to go ahead and just go to the dimension tool for some of this. This is 30 here as well. This is 40. The overall height of the entire object is 50. And that appears that I now have everything in here that I need, so I can go ahead and click OK. And now I'm going to go to extrude. So I'll extrude this object, and the extrusion depth is 50. So I'll type 50, enter, and then go ahead and check the box. Now I've got 3 holes to place on this, so I'm going to go ahead and place those 3 holes. Again, I go to the hole command, select the surface, click placement. Where it says offset references, I want to left click there, hold control, click my 2 offset distances or offset edges. This is 13. This is 25. The size of the hole is a diameter 20, and that hole goes through all. I can hit the checkbox, go right back to the hole command, click this face, placement, offset references, control and click both offset references. This is 13, 25, the hole goes through all, green checkbox. Back to the hole command. This surface, placement, offset references, front edge, side edge. In this case, this is 20. This is 25. The hole diameter is 30, and it goes through all. Hit the green checkbox. Okay, now I need to click on my top surface and do a new sketch on my top surface. So I'll click sketch. I want to use the bottom half of this and this line right here. The next thing that I can do is just draw 2 lines. I want to draw a line from here straight down, and then I want to draw a line from here, but you see those 2 little red dashes that appear? That lets me know that there's going to be a linear constraint placed there where these 2 things are always going to be along the same line. Now what that does is that means no matter how I move these things, they're going to have to move so that they are at the exact same place on this circle. Next, I need to delete some segments, so we'll delete all the outside segments for this particular part, and now I have the shading that I'm looking for. I'll place the dimension that I need. In this case is 20. And now I've got everything fully constrained. I am ready to finish this sketch, and now I want to extrude this. In this case, I want the depth to be 15. I want it to go the other way, and I want it to cut. So after selecting those three options, I can hit the checkbox, and this is exercise 6.